Hello everyone, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick with Happily Oily After, and welcome to another episode of What's in My Monthly Wellness Box, December 2018 edition. It's a few days late, but couldn't ever find a time to really squeeze it in and do all of the fun descriptions that I like to do of the products that I get. So little one is napping and daddy is here in case he wakes up. So I can go ahead and talk about the goodies that I got in my box this month. All right, I'll save the freebies for last. Pretty much my box is no essential oils except for the freebies. I just stocked up on some things that we really needed. So first and foremost, as you guys know, Ningxia Red. Hey Courtney, hope everything's going well for you. I'm loving all your posts. Okay, so Ningxia Red, I got the Essential Rewards kit that has the 4 bottles and the 30 packets. And we pretty much drink the bottles and save the packets. The packets are really good for on the go, and we always do, I'm doing 3 to 4 ounces a day, and Eric's doing 2 ounces a day. And Ningxia Red is our wellness drink that we have every day, full of antioxidants, made with the Ningxia, the goji wolfberry, and has like tons of protein and all sorts of really good amino acids and stuff in it. So awesome for total body wellness and cellular support. I highly recommend everybody try it, but I will warn you, you will get hooked on it. So if you're not prepared to want to get it every month, then maybe not try it just yet. So Ningxia Red, we got the 4 bottles in the packets. Nitro, I got 2 boxes of Nitro. I already put one in the fridge because I'm living off of Nitro right now as a caffeine supplement. It's got the green tea extract, only 35 milligrams, less than a full cup of coffee. It's not getting to my baby and keeping him wired, but just enough to kind of get me through the days after I have some evening wake-ups from feedings and stuff. So love, love, love my Nitro. I loved them before and I love them even more now. So I got 2 boxes of those, 6 wipes, okay? Now, I've been asked how often I'm going through wipes. The wipes are really robust. So I use 1 wipe per diaper, sometimes 2. And that's really it. So I got the 6-pack only because I have them all over the house. We have 2 different changing stations. We have 2 diaper backpacks. I use them also as dryer sheets, so I have some in the laundry room. Eric uses them as wet wipes, so there's some in our toilet room. So pretty much the 6-pack is kind of going all over the place. And they last quite a while because 72 wipes, and again, I'm using one max 2 per diaper. So very, 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 very safe, very gentle. They smell good. Really good at kind of just quickly taking off your makeup if you don't have time to do your full face wash at night or whatever it may be. Can't say enough about the Seedlings wipes. Then supplements, we got 3 essential zymes for Life 9 and Super B. So this is our dynamic duo for gut support. I get it every month. The Life 9 probiotic is full of those bacteria that your gut need to do its job. 9 different strains of bacteria, so it's got the biodiversity, and 17 billion active cultures. So it's much, much better than what you can find in the stores. And so when it comes to a probiotic, you don't want to skimp on that. You want to get a good quality one. And I can't say enough good things about Life 9. Essential Zymes 4, somebody had asked me, what do you like about this? I can live without it, but the thing is, it really just helps me digest my food. So Essential Zymes, what it is it's plant enzymes, and you got 2 different capsules. You have an extended release or delayed release and an immediate release. And they go to work on the different food groups, your carbohydrates, your fats, your proteins, things like that. So as we age, we become less efficient at breaking apart the foods that we eat. couple that with the fact that we're not always eating the right foods for us. So we need to be able to extract those nutrients and break it down so that we're not having tummy aches, we're not having gas, we're not having bloating. And so I take these with my largest meals, which is lunch and dinner for me. So love, love, love Essential Zymes 4. And I talk about it every month, so y'all should be knowing what it does now. And then Super B. B is great for energy levels, great for brain health, pretty much great for all of the biological functions that you have. Everybody needs to be on a quality B vitamin. This particular B has all the Bs, including folate, which is something that you need when you're pregnant. So, all right. That's it for what we ordered. Now let's talk about all the free things that I got. So let's start with Lemongrass Vitality at 100 PV. That's free. Lemongrass is a very uplifting, a very clean scent, very good at supporting the urinary system and kidneys. So you can actually, you can take this in a capsule. I like to diffuse this. This is in lots of blends. And of course you can cook with our Vitality oils. So if you really like to infuse lemongrass in your cooking, you've got that right here. Okay, at 190, I believe it's Pine and Joy. And one of them's an Essential Rewards exclusive. I can't remember, but Pine is it's a very good for this Christmas season. You know, it's a conifer, but the way I like to use pine is in mop water, okay, with lemon and pine. It's just like Pine Sol without the chemical fragrance. It's real pine oil. And so that's what we have for free there. And then Joy. Joy is one of the first blends that I fell in love with. Very floral. So if you're not a fan of the floral essential oils, you probably won't like Joy, but it is very good at uplifting the mood. It's a heart chakra oil, so you can apply it to your heart with affirmations to start your day. It's good to wear as a perfume. It's great to diffuse. It smells fantastic. Hey! And so we were actually running low on Joy because Eric used to use it every day. I'm not sure if he's still using it every day on his chest as a way to start the day. Okay. White Angelica. Whoop, whoop. This blend is well known in Young Living. It is an energy protector. It's a shield. Think of it like angels protecting you from taking on like the negative energies of the world around you. So it's definitely something that anybody who's energy sensitive, anybody who's empathic needs to wear this on the daily. You can put it on your shoulders, you can put it over your heart, you can put it over here on your crown chakra, say prayers, all of that. White Angelica is definitely a blend that, like I said, anybody who is kind of emotional should not live without. And then I think still at 250, I don't know, lost count, maybe 300. This might be 250 and this might be 300. I can't remember. This book, the D. Gary Young, World Leader in Essential Oils, this hands down, I recommend anybody who's a Young Living member must read this book. It is the story of Young Living from the very, very beginning with Gary Young, like in the 70s, and then it just chronicles how far we've come to now being the world leader in essential oils. It's got so many beautiful colored photographs. It's a great coffee table book, but it's also a great gift to new members to help them understand just why our company is the best, hands down, for essential oils. Okay, last two. This one I was really excited to receive, Gathering, because I didn't own it yet. Young Living has so many blends. I'm still collecting them all. I have quite a bit of them, but I didn't have Gathering. Gathering smells really good. I can't put my finger on exactly. It reminds me of some of the Feelings kit oils, but this is a good one to apply when you are celebrating the holidays with your friends and family, or having a birthday party. Diffuse it, apply it topically as just like a sense of celebration when you get together and connect with other people. So it's kind of one of those emotional oils. Smells really good. Can't wait to add it to my collection. And last but not least, 15 mil franc. 15 mil franc free. Okay, by the way, all these oils have been free. I'm not sure I made a big enough deal about it. 15 mil franc. Frankincense is a very, it's an exquisite oil. It's on the pricier end. This oil right here is one of our Swiss Army knives. It's good for so many purposes, one of which being skin health, one of which being spiritual, diffusing, applying topically to your third eye or your crown chakra, yoga, prayer, meditation, applying anywhere on the skin, using dilution if you're super sensitive, but otherwise you can apply it neat. Frankincense Vitality can be ingested. It's great for cellular health. I can't say enough. It's the nickname of Frank is the king of oils. So all of these oils in that book were free. And then pretty much what we got was Ningxia wipes and supplements. Kind of boring, but hey, we love our products and we use them every month. So we also have a second order coming this month on Eric's Essential Rewards, so stay tuned for another video. If you are not a member and you would like to try our products, speak to me, join Happily Oily After. It just requires a starter kit to become a member. You don't have to sell, you don't have to buy every month even if you don't want to, but I highly recommend you do. If you're already a member, go try some new stuff. Make sure you hit that 400 PV mark so you can get all the freebies for the month. So stay tuned. I'll be coming back with another video later on this month. Love you. Thanks for watching.